In this video, we'll show you how to build a referral network of preferred providers in your area or elsewhere in the country. The goal is to connect and build relationships with providers you trust so patient and client referrals can happen back and forth. To begin, from your dashboard, click the Referral Network tile. The default display shows you all the providers we have listed in the provider directory. This is what patients and consumers see when they activate a treatment plan or fitness plan and search for a nearby provider. Notice that some of the providers have stars and some do not. Providers with stars on a gold background are preferred providers. It is up to you to choose your own preferred providers from the directory. When you set a person as a preferred provider, they will be positioned higher in the search results and be more visible when you refer your patients and clients to providers you trust. You can also invite colleagues and referral sources that are not listed to join. Simply click the Invite Provider button and send an invite. Invited providers can join for free. This makes it easy for providers to build their networks and refer patients and clients back and forth with providers they trust. Linking your colleagues to the system is also a great way to share exercise programs, evidence-based treatment plans, fitness plans, and more. To view information about a provider, click the thumbnail of the provider. Information about that provider will display at the top of the screen. Their telephone number and website link are accessible here. You can also roll over the map to view their address and click to get directions. To view the full professional profile of the provider, click the View Full Profile link. A patient or client can also conveniently request an appointment with a provider right here, online, by clicking the Request Appointment link. This is also a great way for a caregiver or referral source to make an appointment request on behalf of a family member or patient when needed. The Send Treatment Code link allows patients a convenient way to share their treatment code with providers they want to work with to manage their recovery process. To close the provider information panel, just click the black X and click another thumbnail. If you want to set a provider as a preferred provider in your network, tick the checkbox labeled Set as Preferred Provider. That's all there is to it. Preferred providers are always grouped at the top of your list, followed by featured providers. You and your patients and clients can filter and sort the list of providers to make it more useful. For example, you can select a specialty from a drop-down menu. Let's choose Physical Therapist. Now, only physical therapists are displayed. You can also filter the list by zip or postal code to identify the providers in a specific area, perhaps where your office is located, or where your patient or client lives. Use the zoom feature on the map to get a better idea where providers are located. You can roll over or click on the stars on the map as well to identify which providers are located where. Remember, stars on gold backgrounds are your preferred providers, and stars on green backgrounds are featured providers. You can search by provider or company name as well. Simply enter the person's name or company in the box and click the search icon. And you can further filter the list by practice focus by simply ticking the appropriate checkboxes. This completes the Build My Referral Network tutorial. Thanks for watching.